In this video, we're going to use Cramer's rule to solve a system of two equations and two variables. They give you a system of equations, 6x plus y equals -6, and x minus 2y equal 2, and they say use Cramer's rule to solve. So Cramer's rule is essentially solving these two equations using determinants. And how you set these matrices up is important for when we find the determinant. So basically we're going to say that E is equal to the determinant of some of these coefficients in a matrix, and then F is going to be the determinant of some of these other coefficients in the matrix, and D is going to be the determinant of some of these other coefficients in the matrix, and then we're just going to take E divided by D and F divided by D, and we'll have our answer. So let's set this thing up based on what we have here. So A1, B1, and C1 for the first equation would be 6, 1, and -6. So A2, B2, and C2 would be 1, -2, and 2 for the other equation. So we're going to go ahead and write down that one matrix, we're going to say E is equal to the determinant of C1, C2, B1, B2. So for us, that would be -6 and 2 for the C1 and the C2. So determinant of -6 and 2. And then the B1, B2 would be 1 and -2. So we're going to say 1 and -2. And then F is going to be the determinant of A1, A2, so it'd be 6 and 1. And then C1, C2, which would be -6 and 2. And then D is going to be A1, A2, B1, B2, so that'd be 6 from here, 1, and then 1 and -2. So then we're going to find the determinant of each of those. So for E, the determinant here would be -6 times the -2 minus 2 times 1, and that would give you 12 minus 2, which is 10. For F, we're going to do 6 times 2 minus -6 times 1. And that's going to give you 12 plus 6, which is 18. And then for D, we have 6 times -2 minus 1 times 1. That's -12 minus 1. So -12 minus 1 would be -13. And then we're going to go ahead and find x. So x is E over D. And E is going to be 10 over -13. And y is going to be F over D, which is equal to 18 over -13. And so our coordinate for this would be -10 over 13, comma, -18 over 13. And this would be our solution to the system using Cramer's rule.